Hi, I have another tip for Tech Tuesday. There you go. This website is called Socrative, and I love it. You just need to go to socrative.com. That's just the website, socrative.com. It's free for everyone to use. Once you've set up an account, you just click login. Um, this is the same site that students will go to. They'll obviously click student login. You will click teacher login. You can sign in with Google. That's what I always do. I set up mine through Google. And there's whole bunches of options. You can create quizzes. Honestly, there's tons of websites online that create quizzes, right? Quizlet, all of that kind of thing. Google Forms, you can do all that. Space Race is kind of more like an activity. Quick questions are just if the students are already on their computers and you think, hey, I have a question right now I want to ask them and I want to collect the data really quickly right now. Well, you can quickly just click a true or false or click short answer or click multiple choice. Students log on to Socrative, sorry. They log on to Socrative and they'll answer your quick question. Those things are all great. Honestly, there's lots of ways to do that. You don't need to do it on the computer. My favorite thing about Socrative is the exit tickets. Exit tickets always have 3 pre-made questions. Okay? The first question is always, how well did you understand today's material? And the students just choose A, B, C, or D. So it's not like a correct answer or wrong answer. The second question is always, what did you learn in today's class? And they'll explain or they'll type a paragraph or a sentence or a word about what you'd learned or talked about in class today. And then the last question is always, please answer the teacher's question, where I put a question up on the whiteboard that I want them to answer. Sometimes it's something they have to explain. Sometimes because I teach math, they just solve it and they type an answer for me. I love this because it's a quick way to gather data, exit ticket data, without having to read all the papers, which is how I used to do exit tickets a long time ago. Then once you're all done, you're able to see the reports. You're able to see how the students did. So let me see if I can find one that has some student data on it. I know I use it all the time. There we go. So now it's showing me this blank, 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 blank. I can just click show names. You might recognize some of those names from kids from last year, and show answers. And boom, I now immediately right now can see A, those kids really understood what we were doing today. B, maybe kind of sort of they understood what we were doing today. And then I even have a couple of C's. Ooh, those are the kids I really need to focus on. In this paragraph, if you want to, you can read that. Then look at this. I can look right now and see, hey, look at all these kids who got 108 as their answer. Okay, awesome. That's my favorite thing about Socrative is their exit tickets. Hope that helps.